Imagine this, it's 7 am, your alarm goes off. By the time you have brushed your teeth, your phone has a neat little notification. Weather in your city is cloudy at 22 degrees Celsius. I have booked your Uber for 8:15 to avoid the traffic jam on your route. Oh, and I rescheduled your meeting because two attendees had a clash. You didn't open a single app. You didn't send a single message. Yet, all this happened. That's not magic. That's an AI agent at work. Now, we have all played with ChatGPT or similar AIs. You ask a question, it answers. Fun, impressive. But these AIs are like that friend who only talks when you talk to them. They never take the first step. AI agents are different. They are that friend who not only remembers your birthday but also books the restaurant, orders your favorite cake, and sends invite to your friends without you even asking. But how did we get here? Let's rewind. A few years ago, AI was only about guessing which song you might like next. Then came large language models, the brains that could actually talk like us. The big leap came when these language models were wired into real world tools, from payment systems and calendars to robots, making them act instead of just talk. That's when AI agents started moving from lab demos to everyday use. And it's not just tech geeks anymore. The big names are fully on board. A Forbes survey found that 87% of the CEOs believe that AI makes the workplace better, and 75% are already using ChatGPT. Nearly half of them every single day. Salesforce says nearly 78% of the top executives in the UK are using AI agents. And Cloudera reports 96% of the enterprise IT leaders plan to expand them this year. And the numbers don't stop there. McKinsey has over 12,000 AI agents running, with over 40% of its revenue tied to AI and tech consulting. Artisan AI, a startup building AI employees, is already pulling around $5 million a year. Catapult has cut customer service times by half. MasterCard boosted fraud detection by 30%. And McKinsey's supply chain agent, they've reduced inventory by up to 30%. Now, check out this user on Reddit who claims that their AI agent handles emails, documents, and meetings, freeing up nearly 1 hour every day from those small, brain-draining tasks. It's not flashy, but it's a kind of smart helps that makes a difference. Now, of course, not everything is sunshine and rainbows. AI agents need access to your contacts, your calendar, your emails, and sometimes even your financial data. And that raises real concerns. In fact, 57% of the people in a Pew survey worry that AI might collect too much of personal info. But there are ways to stay safe. Give AI agents the permissions they truly need, and use only those systems that keep transparency logs, encrypt sensitive data, have an emergency stop button, and make sure that critical actions can be reviewed by you. So, where is this going? The next few years will be about 3 things. 1. Better planning. Agents that can convert vague goals like get healthier into weekly steps, sync with your apps, and adapt automatically when life changes. 2. Learning new tools autonomously. Agents can figure out to learn new tools like editing videos without you having to teach them. 3. Collaboration. Multiple agents working together like a virtual team, each with a specialty, handing tasks to each other without human micromanagement. If we use them right, AI agents could give small businesses the efficiency of big corporations, free us from repetitive decisions, and provide hyper-personalized services. But with great power comes great responsibility. Whether they become our best partners or worst mistake depends on how we design them, regulate them, and trust them. So if next time someone says AI can't think for itself, tell them about AI agents. The tech that doesn't just answer, it acts. And maybe start wondering, what is the first thing that you would hand over to your AI agent? Because soon, probably you'll get the chance. And if you found this breakdown useful, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.